Hello everybody, this video is gonna be a little different than usual because I don't really upload regular videos, but I got a dog. I don't know I don't know. She was born this year. I got her, I know exactly when we got her. We got her when she was, oh, stop it. When she was, we got her March 15th. Chloe? Ah! Don't mess with me. We got her, I'm gonna switch the camera. I got her when, March 15th, I already said that. But, she's adorable. Now I'm making her famous. So this is Chloe. She has the drip. Chloe, show them your drip. Look at that. Look at that. She got the gold drip. Sheesh. Anyways, she's my dog, and she's adorable. Yeah. And she really. Why am I looking over there? She's really adorable. She's cute. She's a puppy, honestly. She's, I don't know what breed this dog is. Anyone can tell me. What breed is this? What breed is this beautiful baby? She's really energetic. And, I'm kind of making this video really, late on getting her. We had her for about a month. Actually, more like, if I do the math, it's the third, right? I'm posting this on the third. So, like, 3. We got her a little less than a month ago, and she's adorable. Her name's Chloe. I said that already. I taught her how to sit recently. I'll put in a video of that. Chloe, sit, sit. Chloe, sit. Good. She also, my mom recently got her some bubbles, and I blew them with her, and she likes to chase some of them sometimes. She's really cool. So, let me tell you a story. My dad didn't really want to get her that much, and recently, my dad really loves her now. Yo, what, Chloe? It's the white. Yeah, and I'll put in a video, and here's her playing with the Chloe, look, bubbles. Chloe. Look at the bubble. Chloe, look, more bubbles. It's kind of bad. I don't really have that much to say. I just, she's really cute. I just wanted to introduce her to the family. She's awesome. I probably won't make a video with her because I love her too much. I'll probably just make this video. That's another video. This is just gonna be a quick, like, minute video of me and Chloe. Say goodbye, Chloe.